Welcome everybody. Good morning or good evening for some of you. Welcome back to the show. Let's start. Market is about to open in 2 minutes. Yannick's welcome, and Bill Bergstrom. Hey, good to see you, Bill. And Green is back as well. Let's see how the market is gonna start today. It seems like we had a nice little dip here. I went short earlier. I got stopped out, unfortunately, here. And then the market crashed down. We'll see if it wants to go back up there to Asia high. We have a 15-minute demand zone low. Otherwise, ES also went lower. I'm not sure what was the news driver. Maybe the Canadian news pushed it lower. Not really sure. I don't know. But anyway, so far we are hovering in this area. So, hey, online safety. Oh, sorry, you didn't receive the email. Man, I'm gonna send it to you. Give me a few minutes. Sorry, man. I'm sorry. Man, I'm actually logged out of Discord right now, but I'm gonna send it in a minute. How much time we've got? Let's wait for the market open. I'm sending it to you after that. Hey, Martin, what's up? Navab, hey, good to see you. We have 40 seconds. 40 seconds. 35. Getting closer to the open. Actually, I'm kind of interested how this is going to go. Are we gonna go back? There is some fair value gaps on the 5-minute up there, and we have technically the Asia high. It can go anywhere from here, up and down, whatever. Stocks are somewhat in the middle, so let's see what's gonna happen. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Here's the market open right now. Let's see what's it gonna be. Sweeping some highs here. Going higher. It seems like it. Maybe even more. Okay, NQ is technically... It seems like it just wants to break that Asia high. What do you guys think? That's what it seems like to me. This was straight up move to the 83s. Actually, it can go for it. It can go for it super easy. Wow. And now, maybe even going for that. What's that level? 82 was it? Or 83? I don't even know. I'm not sure. I think it was 83.25 on the micro and 83 on the mini. Yeah. That was Asia high, technically. So I'm not sure which one will it be. But it does look interesting. Could go either way. Let's wait for it. I have no position. Might go down. Who knows? Could this be a reversal here? I don't understand. Interesting. Anyway. Let's see what else is here. I think I have no, not this one. Not this one either. I'm kind of thinking to jump into a position, but I'm just not sure how far this one wants to go. Like, is this gonna sweep the highs? I'm just not sure. Kind of a risky situation. I don't think I'm liking it. So the low on the downside was, what was it? 501, I think. Now it seems like it wants to turn around here. But is this gonna go? That's the big question. Is this gonna go? It's 501, yeah. Let's see. Okay, good morning. No. I'm just watching the chart, still trying to decide if this one's gonna be a squeeze, or is this gonna make a new high here, or is this just gonna go straight to the lows? We still have that demand zone low. I mean, if this was the manipulation, I don't know. Seems, tempting to jump in, but I wonder what was the low on the mini. There was a 15-minute low down there. I'm not quite sure about it, which was right there, the low at 501. So I don't know. It has rejected price here, so this could be an interesting situation. Quite a rejection. Question is it going to break the low, or is it going to break the high? I think it's going to break the low, in my opinion. Or it should be. So, let's wait for it. It could be a squeeze only. Hey, Kenchua, what's up? It's getting up there. I think it wants to go to the 80s, but then it has to break the Asia high completely, which is at 83. I'm not sure if it will go there, but I guess it could. I think it wants to get up there. Anyway, let's wait for it. You know, breaking that 82 high. Shorted at 565. Let's see. It's not too late to trade. Today is still good. Today is still a good day to trade. 100%. Still not going for it. Interesting, by the way, that the Asia high is holding this strongly here at this level. And gold actually not really moving anywhere. But we still have time. And it's not far. We're basically fighting for like, I don't know, 10 points. The market is like kind of trying to decide that 10 points or even less. It's actually very close. Yeah, I just can't do it. Look at that. You want to short 605? Yeah, it's possible. Let's see if everybody is jumping into a buy position here. It did go higher. Okay, now it squeezed out that position. Dun, 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 dun. Let's wait. You know, after the squeeze of this 583, I would be curious if now it might want to go back down there and take out that 503. That would be really something. That would be, you know. I mean, on the mini here, it went up there to 82. Going higher. What is higher? Previous day high? On the 15-minute, it's well, it's still 70 points to the upside. So we're actually breaking out of this area, which is, I guess, kind of cool. And close to all-time high. Do you guys think we're going for the all-time high again? It does feel like it right now. And this was basically an AM session high. Strong move. That should be somewhere up in maybe the 50s, who knows? Here we might see a pullback. I would say a healthy pullback. The macro is still like 5 minutes away or so. Footprint is green. Let's see. What's this gonna do? I'm quite curious about this. Wow, look at this. Still going. And I have no trade entry. Absolutely nothing I can go with. Not even on gold. Nothing here. This just keeps going and going, and I think it just wants to go for the maybe even to the 50s up there. Not something I'm liking. Hey, Olisha, how's it going? How's it going, man? Yeah, unfortunate. But this one is just keeps going. No reversal. Feels like it wants to go for that 671. So far, not really something I was looking for, but it's fine. You will be aggressive short 641. Be careful with that. We are close to 650 and we have that 671 up there. Look at the 1 hour chart. Previous day high is an AM session high. It could be a risky one. And then we have 700 with a 1 hour fair value gap up there. But you know, Yeah, exactly at 700. Close 629. Testing the new system. Let's go, online safety. Oh yeah, let me send you the email. Sorry. Let me send you the email. There you go. I have sent it. We have a small pullback here. One mini. Let's go. Congratulations. 629. Congrats. Hey, that's good money. That is actually good money. $230. I take it any day. Okay, going down. Gold is still edging higher a little bit, and yeah, so far there's no sign of a pullback on gold. It's just slowly edging higher. I think gold wants to break that high again because it's basically almost like an equal high. There's no order block on the 1 minute or supply zone, but I still think it just wants to go. Test the 500 for sure. And as for NQ, we are close to that 670. Okay. Take Profit Trader just saying has an email that the sale is going to end. So 40%. I hope that they keep the 40%, but with the no activation. But I don't know. They say it's going to end 40% off. No activation fee might be ending. So grab it while you can. Hey, Harshit. You added the 5 minis. Took the profit at 640. Wow. All the way from 530 to 40. That is awesome, man. That is awesome. All right. Now another prop with one mic. Oh yeah, step by step. Rotating these accounts, that's the goal. And it's going. It's still going higher. It's still going higher. I wouldn't be surprised if it would hit the 50 right there. It should be. I wouldn't be surprised at all. Is this gonna go for it or what? What's the deal here? We still have time until 10 a.m. So we have like a few minutes. Hey, 80, how's it going? Oh, by the way, I was reading your you on the Discord. A pro golfer. Man, I'm gonna have questions for you. I am definitely gonna have questions. So I mean, I never played golf, so I'm an absolutely noob in this. I'm gonna have questions, that's for sure, because I just like to watch golf. I mean, I would like to play that too. I like to try it out. I don't know where to start, by the way. I have no idea where to start. Absolutely. But I like to try it. So I will have questions. 5 Bulenox accounts, let's go. Which I have passed, but don't want to activate them. TPT is much better. Yeah, Take Profit Trader with the daily payouts are definitely good. Next week, I'm going to lean more on those daily payouts for sure. Hey, Mahavir, good to see you. All is good. Kind of waiting for the market here. Golf versus golf. Golf. Playing golf, you know, the game. Sorry, let's go with the pronunciation. So, golf. The game is pronounced as golf. Not golf. Golf is golf. Golf. Don't worry, I'm going to practice. The other way around. I don't get it. Golf. Golf. Hold on. Golf with an O is the game. I know that for sure. Hey, man, do you have... How many payouts have you had from them? Currently, I have only one Apex account, down to one. And I had about $15,000 in payouts, $14,000 or $15,000 in payouts from Apex. Usually, like with $1,000 payouts here and there. So only if I could take 500 or 1,000, I took them. You know, I was having 3 Apex accounts funded, but I'm down to 1. And currently, I'm focusing more on the MyFundedFutures and the Take Profit Trader accounts. And I have 2 Bulenox accounts that I want to push a little bit more. So, hey, let's go hard shit. Do I have to trade for 5? Yeah, 5 is the minimum. Online safety. A lot of people are hating Apex because of too many rules. Like, the only rule is basically that matters is the 30% rule. It's called the 30% rule, which means it's a soft rule, by the way. It's not a hard breach. If one of your position goes into a 30% or bigger drawdown of your maximum loss limit, so basically your maximum loss is $2,500 until you're not reaching the safety net. So if one of your trade goes down to like $750 until you're not reaching the safety net, that's a soft breach. So that means because you let your trade slip down to 30% drawdown, your first payout cycle or that particular payout cycle, most likely you are going to get denied for the payout. So then you have to go for the next payout cycle. So the only way to go around this is if you have a trade that goes down like to a big drawdown, have a stop loss before that level or close it manually. If you still trust in the trade, you can reopen it, but the open position should not go down bigger than 30% of your maximum loss limit. But if your balance goes to like, I don't know, $10,000 in profits, then you are allowed to hold the trade until a negative $3,000, right? Because, you know, that's going to be 30%. I am old school. Gulf of America. Gulf of Mexico. Okay. I know. Apex is paying out. One thing, you got to, you know, trade by those rules. Even if you breach that rule, you can still continue to trade. Your account is going to be active, but you got to trade more until the next payout cycle, basically. I miss you too, Kirk. But I'm always here. You know, I'm always here. And by the way, next week, I told you guys, I'm going to be on a short holiday vacation from Monday to Wednesday. I'm not going to be here only a short time. So I will be bringing my laptop with me, and so I will be doing some short streams. But those are going to be some short streams, and so but I'll be back on Thursday. I'll be back on Thursday, and it will be good. So I need to recharge, I need to recharge. But I'm going to be doing some videos, uploading some shorts maybe or whatever. And of course, as I said, I'm going to be here for short streams maybe. Maybe a different quality from the laptop, because will be having the speaker or the laptop speakers, whatever. But I'm still going to be doing some short streams because I love streaming. I love trading too. And I do want to keep the channel active. So I'll be here. Wealth Lab, so you can auto track the rules. I think on wealth charts you can do something. But yeah. Oh, you got a week as well off. Nice, 80. Hey, I was reading that you were a pro golf player. So I am definitely going to have a lot of questions for you, because I never played golf, but I am going to. I mean, I want to. So my main question is, as someone who never ever played golf, where should I begin? Where should I begin? Because we have golf course not too far from here. I just don't know how to start at all in golf if I never ever played. I played golf on computer in video games. I was watching some golf tournaments here and there, but I mean online and television. But I was always interested in it, so I will try it out. I know. I am going to ask the agents to put me back into the Matrix, Kirk. You really think so, Kirk? All right. I didn't know that. All right, awesome. That would be actually a good idea. I will take my phone as well to the field, and you can tell me what to do, what not to do, or and we can chat on Discord too. When I saw that you're a retired pro golf player, man, I was like, dude, that is cool. That is so awesome. Watching Happy Gilmore. I know. That is actually, I mean, oh man, I saw that movie so long ago. Look at that. Going for that 671. Wouldn't you know it? It's just going. Do you think it will go for it? I think it will. Look at it. It wants to. It's gonna go for it. What account do I have here? I have a Bully account to scalp this. I don't think I can scalp this. Or maybe I can. Maybe I can, I don't know. If it wants to break through the 70s. $671 was the level here. And what else? On the mini, what was the level? On the mini, come on. Oh, it's not showing it. Oh, early profit taking here. Was there some news? Or somebody was tweeting or whatever? I don't know. Anyway, what was the level? Come on. 71 on the mini. They still didn't go for it. Begin my watching Happy Gilmore. I do that. Let's get a few guys in Discord live. Yeah, that would be refreshing. That's for sure. I mean, look at this price action. It's just untradeable. Totally. Funding ticks is microscoping. Yes, it's allowed. They were having that rule, but they took it out. That's all I know. Not your first. Ah, just post a photo in Discord. Okay. Oh, look at this guy. Look at him. Hold on. Look at him. A pro golfer. Wow. I knew it. He's a pro. He is a pro, everybody. Okay. Hey, Matush. Welcome. Okay, ES also... ES... Oh, no, this is gold. I thought that it's ES. ES is also there. Gold went down. Maybe this is the pullback I was waiting for. No, it's not. You know, I still have the question. Are we going to go down to that 500? Or are we going up for that fair value gap up there? No, that's 80. Yeah, we got to work on trading right now. I know it sounds weird, but I'm still kind of waiting for a waterfall situation here. Look at the rejection from this zone. I like it. If it just keeps pushing higher, I'm just not going to take a trade. Down to 600. I like that. Flat candle, right? Flat candle, 604. There's a flat candle on the... Oh, I like it. 604. There is definitely a nice flat candle. Good for scalping. Okay, I'm gonna delete some lines, which could be disturbing. On the 1 minute, there is no structure shift yet. So and by the way, gold, I mean, I have no markups here on gold, but to me, it seems like it might want to go lower. Let me just do this quickly. Thursday. Awesome. Previous day high, low. There's the high, there's midnight. There's a zone down there. I'm kind of starting to think that gold might be a good play here. Oh my, it does look like it. How did I not see this? Okay. There's a demand zone. Oh, it's too bright. Demand zone down there. Okay, this could be good on gold. What's up, John D? Hey, welcome. How you doing, man? Good luck on the short. I'm not in the short yet, but look at the displacement now. A little bit interested to take this. Which account should I do it on? Okay, I entered to a short trade. Only with 4 micros. I'm gonna see if it goes down to 605. 605.25. If it's not gonna go, it's fine. It's okay. Maybe I should add one more to this. It's gonna be a heavy one. All right, entered. $605.25. So here's the classic entry. ICT 2022 classic entry. The problem is, well, actually there's no big problem here. My short is from 634, almost 35. And my stop is gonna be almost right here. I don't want it to go higher than the higher to the 60s. If it goes, it was a bad idea. No, man, it was a bad idea. It's going higher. Maybe to the 700 there. Yeah. Almost that stop loss now. Yeah, we could. We could. I'm afraid so that this is just gonna pop. Almost out from the trade. Where is it? Here it is. Almost at my stop. Not looking good. 8 micro. This is gonna be a red day for me, I guess. Yeah, it's just gonna keep popping to 700. Yeah. I thought so. Anyway. I am just gonna wait. Since this one seems like wants to go higher, I'm down overall today. This account, I'm down to, hold on. I am down almost 300 on this one. I am down almost 500 on a Bulenox account. I'm down $800 today on funded accounts. Yeah, down 800 today, so I don't think I should continue. I just don't feel it. ES has better structure. Yeah, maybe. Still kind of waiting for gold for a short. Maybe that can save me. I will be watching this one carefully. Okay, so I'm waiting for gold short. All right, all right. Yeah, there's always another bus. Exactly. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. It's not happening. And why am I disconnected again? Oh yeah, I need to make more here. All right. All right. I'm still kind of waiting for there's no structure shift. That's the problem. This one is just keep pushing to the 700s, man. I have no idea. No idea what to do with it. I'm not gonna. I'm not in a. I don't know. I'm not gonna do anything with it. Just keeps pushing. I don't know what to do with this. Seemed to me that gold also wants to go down a little bit, especially visiting that area down there, that demand zone. But also, like, NQ is like ready to make a new high at those 700s. Are we gonna go to the 700s? I don't know. Red day for you too? Yeah, end of the week, yeah. It's gonna be a red day for me, that's for sure. I think I'm gonna end up around 800 something dollars. I have to count the damage. But yeah. Tom, you got what? Dormant's pocket? What is that? What is a Dormant's pocket? I don't know. I guess I have. I don't know what it is. It's going higher, man. Yeah, don't worry about it. We have 28, but the vibe is awesome. I know the market is not too awesome, but the vibe is cool. Let's watch together how we break through that 700. It's a cartoon. I'm sorry that I don't know that. I didn't know that. Mr. Popper is long. Yeah, careful with the profit taking because of some early profit taking. There could be some pullbacks down here. So yeah, there could be some pullbacks. Yeah, NQ is flying. No stopping on NQ. Absolutely no stopping on NQ here. Just wants to go. Look at it. It just wants to bust through that 700 area. There she goes. And we have almost 7. There you go. 700 booked. Okay. 700 taken. Mr. Popper, congratulations for it. And have a good day, you too. And by the way, while we're at it, let me just say it again. I will be on a short vacation. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Also, maybe a Friday New York session too, but we'll see. So, short vacation. But I will be doing live streams from the laptop. It might not be the same quality, so it might be like a spontaneous live stream. Maybe in London and or New York session, we'll see. Just to see how the market opens, you know, maybe we can do it in New York just to see the market open. And maybe like the London Open, because you know, I want to sleep and relax, but I'm quite curious how the London Open will go. So I will try to do it. And I'm going to upload an extra video until I'm gone about the zones, which is almost ready. And I'm going to upload also the giveaway link as well, because we have those Take Profit Trader accounts for a giveaway. Trump speaking again. Okay, so that's why it's happening. Then I wish you a nice vacation. Yeah, I will. It will be good. Thank you so much, Mr. Proper. It would be great. I'm actually needing that vacation because technically, you know, I'm here every week, which I love to do. I'm here technically every day, streaming 2 times, which I love. But now I think maybe I need to, you know, rest up a little bit. Maybe drink some vodka martini or just vodka, or maybe, I don't know, tequila maybe. I don't know, but something. Just to relax on the beach. The vacation zone, that will be good. Thank you, Vivian. Yeah, so it's just gonna be, we're going tomorrow early morning, and I'll be back on Wednesday evening at night, most likely. It's not too far. It's a little bit more than 700 kilometers, so not a big deal. I can drive it. Not a huge deal. 700 kilometers, but it will be fun. Nice hotel. It's like a family hotel, basically, with a nice little garden, nice view, breakfast, dinner, lunch included, everything, just relaxing. Small but cozy room with a nice view. Well, the view is not going to be sea view, but the garden is beautiful and everything is beautiful, so it would be great. I will be doing that, Navab. I can promise you that. I actually have a small med kit already prepared for myself. All kind of pills and medicine, you know, just to help me survive. I'm gonna be trying junk food for sure. I will do that. Oh yeah. That's gonna be fun. Oh man. I have 3 scalping green. Let's go. That's good. As long as you're in the green, that's all that matters. All right. I think I'm going to call it here. Not that I don't like being here, but I'm not going to take a trade. I'm in the red, and it's Friday. And, you know, I have some good topics for My Funded TV. So if you want to catch up with me at My Funded TV, then I'll be there in about 50 minutes. But I'm in the red. I don't want to give anything more to the market. So need to recharge for next week. And, you know. So, yeah, saving up the money, yeah, for next week. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching. This was a great day, regardless of the profits or losses. This was a great one. If you'd like to support the channel, you know, the code, TOMSABO for all these prop firms. Take Profit Trader might be ending the 40% deal, so grab a few accounts if you must or if you can. But other prop firms still have some good deals. MyFundedFutures only with the basic deals, with basic discounts, but still try them out. And also Funded Futures Network. Also like Apex, Bulenox is still down. So, and we have some others. FundingTicks, I have that also on my plate. So I'm going to be trading with them from next week as well. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. I will be doing some short streams, so stay tuned, and I'll be uploading some content. So take care, be safe. I'll be at My Funded TV for a little bit more. And God bless you all. All right? Have a great weekend. Cheers.